Hi. It's day 22. 22? 22. We have 4 videos. Okay.
We have to do 23 too. Yeah, so
we're a little behind. We're a little backed up. Happy day 22. Welcome. This is the future. Day 22 of Revolution Makeup. A nice long door here, which means lip gloss.
Or a travel brush.
No, this is a travel brush.
I know, but a longer one.
Oh, so a normal size brush? I'm going with a lip gloss.
Oh.
Oh, I think I was maybe right. It's very iridescent, whatever it is.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, whoop, whoop. We're having fun now. Okay, so we have received a liquid highlighter, another liquid highlighter. That's what the shade name is. It's very funny.
STFU.
No.
What?
That's
NYX.
NYX.
Yeah.
It is Unicorn Elixir.
Oh wow.
I have some nieces. All 3 of my nieces love unicorns. So if I start wearing this, I'm gonna be the bomb.com. The bee's knees. Let's give this highlighter a little swatch. My hand is so sparkly. From all the videos we made today. Oh. It smells maybe like buttercream. It smells delightful.
That's nice.
So it's a white highlighter, but it has a nice purple. Sorry, there was about 100 sirens in the background. I hope everyone is okay. So that is the highlighter. It's like a white, but when you swatch it, it's very purpley and iridescent. Very pretty. Very pretty. Next is our NYX Love Lust Disco Box, day 22. This
on
is
my side. Turn it.
Oh, turn.
Yep. Long.
So what do you guess?
Me?
Yeah.
Eyeliner.
Oh, no, it's another box within a box. Fancy. What did we get today? We got a Glitter Goals liquid lipstick. In the shade Shibby. I'm sorry.
Shibby.
Shimmy Cocoa Pop.
Shibby.
That shake your booty.
It is, yeah. But Shibby makes you want to do that.
I wish you could see him right now. He's dancing. I'm not allowed to dance.
You're okay. Dance.
This won't come out of the box because it's got a little piece of tape on it. Oh, goodness. I was thinking like from Big, the movie Big. Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Pop, shimmy, shimmy. Holy moly! Look at that color. I was not expecting that.
I was thinking something darker.
Well, like judging by that, I was thinking like a nice copper shimmer. Holy moly! That is very shimmy. If I was gonna wear a shimmy, I would wear this color. So let's give it a little swatch. Wowza!
It's a hot pink.
And last but not least, on this lovely December 22nd day, it's the 22nd.
Okay, sorry. Oh yeah, 22nd.
Men. I'm not sexist, but men. Oh. So here's number 22. Oh. And I hope it's not breakable because it's on the floor now. Day 22. What do you have in store for us today?
Wrong side?
There's 2 things in here.
Oh, wow.
So we'll start with this because it looks like a perfume sample. So we've got something from Armani Code Absolu, Eau de Parfum, and
I bet that'll smell nice.
It might. You tend to like very strong scents, and I like florally vanilla.
I like Angel.
I know you like Angel. He loves Angel. We've got a sample size of this, and I just realized we didn't find out the prices of any of the things we received in the last couple of days, Jason.
Oh.
So let's give this a little sniff. Well, that's I don't love it. It's not bad. I don't love it. It smells like something maybe I would wear in a couple decades. So it smells like something, like it smells almost exactly, it's like bringing me memories of my Grandma Ruth. It's not unpleasant, but I don't think that I will wear it. And so what is the other thing we got in this box? Armani Code Absolute. Oh, for ums.
Oh, ums.
For men. Jason, this is for you. Why would they give me something for you? You don't.
I'm down.
Can I put this as your Christmas present? So we got a little.
How do I put that on? Spray it?
I don't know yet. Nope.
What do you do?
You dab. So that's what. So it's a men's fragrance. You just put a little on your wrist and then you blot them together. Put a little on your neck. If you
can't hardly smell it.
Well, put some on and see if.
Oh.
You're doing it wrong already.
Oh, I don't know. I can't really smell it.
Then why did you just have that reaction?
Because it was like the alcoholiness. It hadn't gone yet.
I can only smell the one I have.
I got kind of stuffed up.
You are sounding very stuffed up.
That's too bad.
I mean, it's a light. This one's a lighter scent, so
yeah.
I'm sure you'll enjoy wearing this. Weird that they would give you something for men in here, though. So I have forgotten the retail value for the last couple of days for the Glossybox. So I'm trying to remember. We got this nail color. I'm gonna guess $20.
$9.50.
$9.50. Okay.
And that's Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer.
Oh yes. Well, I can't read it because the font is very teeny. And what did I get the following day, Jason?
It was Moon Patch Eye Gels, I think.
Oh yes, the eye masks were. How much are these? I'm not even gonna guess.
$15.
So $15 for two, so $7.50. That's not bad. I'm excited to try those. And then today we got the little tiny sampler from women, and then the larger. So how many? What's the size? Is 4 mils. 0.1 fluid ounces. How much is an Armani men's fragrance, Jason?
The price of those fragrances are gonna stagger you.
Okay, so it's probably not meant for this size.
I guess.
It's probably for like full size.
It's $180, it says. But I'm wondering if the point of like the his and hers is that when they're mixed together, there's another scent that's produced. Wouldn't that be strange? Let's try that.
You make it sound freaky naughty.
It is. Maybe it is freaking out.
Oh my goodness.
Try it.
Doing our scents combined. Like, is that
Mine's
Power
on
Rangers?
here, and I don't know. Like, rub it good. Like, get it mixed up.
Well, you're not giving me your wrist.
Okay.
It smells the same.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay.
You nut. Okay, so today was a wacky day with all these weird items. So we got, let's pick my favorites. I'm going to pick this beautiful corally red glitter shade. And then the just because it's cool and crazy, these two perfumes. Because, you know, it's weird that they put in a men's fragrance, but that's nice. Something for you. Yeah. And then the highlighter from Revolution. Thank you everyone for watching day 22. It was a great day, and I hope you all have a great day, a great year, a great week, a great month, a great night. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, it would mean very much to me. Does that make sense? It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.